Hey there, thank you for joining me. My name's Paula. So this is the 7 days of mindfulness program, and in this practice you don't need any experience, so completely fine for beginners, but also great for experienced meditators if you've been meditating for a while as well. For this series, you don't need much, you just need something to be comfortable when you're seated, so a block or a cushion. I like to have this blanket underneath me just to help cushion the legs as well. And we will, in some of the meditations, start lying down or actually do the whole thing lying down. So just make sure that you've got something that's comfortable to lie down on throughout the program, and make yourself warm. The program itself is really about introducing you to some different approaches to meditation, and will help you to connect deeper into your intention for practicing. So that could be practicing in any way, so yoga as well as your mindfulness practice. It's a really great way to start to establish like a daily practice. And it's hopefully something that you can keep doing after the 7 days as well. The way that I would approach the program is to do it in sequence if you can, so from day 1 to 7. And after that, then you can just drop in and out. So they can be done in sequence as well as done as individual practices. So you can choose the way that you want to approach it. The series is really going to help you try to connect into your deeper intention for practicing as well as just for your life, and help you cultivate a life that's meaningful to you. Thank you once again for joining me, and I'll see you very soon.